Chris, I'm going to teach you one simple thing in the Python script that calculates the area of a circle given its radius. Once you get the radius, then it will use this Python script that will calculate the area of the circle. So first thing is here, import math. That's a function. Okay, so this is a function to calculate the area of circle. You see, def, that's the definition what we are doing. Calculate underscore area, that's the function. This is the function of radius, that's why calculate underscore area, in bracket we have put radius. And then you see area equal to math.py star radius star square, that means radius squared. Actually the formula is pi r squared, that's the area of formula. Return area, then it will return it. See, input has input, ask user for the radius. To ask the user for radius, we have to write radius equal to float, then in bracket you ask for input. Input is nothing but to ask for the user, ask user for the radius. So enter in bracket, you within the quotes whatever you are writing, it will show as it is. Enter the radius of the circle within the quotes. Then next one is calculate area. Area equal to calculate underscore area function like a bracket radius. That's what here we have seen, a calculate area radius, right? So output, it will be display the result. Print f, the area of the circle with the radius so and so is area dot 2f. Dot 2f means that's nothing but like a format the results to a 2 decimal places for readability. Math.py is nothing but that gives the value of pi in Python. Calculate underscore area, that's a function that takes the radius and calculates the area using formula area equal to pi r squared. Input bracket means takes the input from the user, which is the radius circle. Float means converts the input to a floating point number. Radius could be a decimal. So output, sample output, you see, enter the radius of the circle, it will come. After that it will show like the area of the circle with radius 5 is 78.54. This is going to be a drama in the computer lab in school. Students K and R are sitting at their desk working on their computers. Their teacher has just given them an assignment to write a Python script to calculate the area of circle. K is struggling and while R seems confident. K is sitting in front of the computer and looking frustrated. R is typing away effortlessly. K: oh, this is impossible. I can't figure out how to calculate the area of circle in Python. What's this math.py thing anyway? He is telling that this is impossible. I can't figure out how to calculate the area of the circle in Python. Or is saying that it's really not that hard. It's really not that hard. You just need to use the formula for the area of circle. That's pi r squared. All we need is the radius. Bam, we have the area. Right, but the radius is just a number. How do I get the Python to understand the formula? Let me show you. Look, we use the math library because it has all mathematical functions we need, including the value of pi. I will show you how it works. R hits enter, the screen shows Python script. Import math, this is the Python script. Then what? Wait, that's it? That's all you need to do? Just input the radius and it gives the area? Exactly, the function calculate underscore area uses the formula pi r squared to calculate the area. You just need to give it to the radius. Python does all math for you. Enter the radius. Okay, let me try it. Enter the radius of circle 5. Wow, it worked. It says the area of the circle with radius is 78.54. See, I told you it was easy. Once you know the formula, you just let the Python do the rest. This is so cool. So if I change the radius to something else like 10, it will give me the area of that too. Yeah, Python's great at handling all sorts of numbers, big or small. Go ahead, try it. Now it says the area of the circle with radius 10 is 314.16. That's awesome. I can really see how math and coding come together. Exactly, and imagine the possibilities. You can now calculate the areas of all kinds of circles. You can even make your program interactive and have it ask for radius again. You could calculate the circumference too. Circumference, how do you do that? It's simple. The formula for circumference is 2 pi r. We just add the add a new function to calculate that. Wow, this is like building a whole math machine. Quickly add the circumference calculation script. Definition: calculate underscore circumference radius. Circumference equal to 2 times math by dot radius. Return circumference. Output the both area and circumference. Print if the area of the circle with radius is radius